Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. My name is Diego and today I'm going to talk to you about crested gecko mating behavior. Now, crested gecko mating behavior is really important to know prior to breeding because that way you know what to expect. When I first started breeding crested geckos, I did not know what to expect. I put them together and I thought they were killing each other. However, that was part of the mating ritual and the male was just trying to get a grip on the female. Knowing what to expect prior to breeding is important to avoid misunderstandings, getting scared, or making bad decisions, because it's happened to me. Now, before we get into the video, I want to make a quick disclaimer. In this video, I'm going to be showing some graphic scenes. I'm going to show hemipenes, which is basically the reproductive organ of the males. I'm going to show aggressive behavior, so if you're sensitive to that kind of stuff, maybe skip this video and watch next week's video. I will try to do my best to explain why these behaviors happen or what they're trying to do at that moment. And there's not too much information about crested gecko breeding behavior. I'm gonna try to do my best without saying that is the only truth. Also, this video is dedicated specifically to Ryan Shie, who wanted to see crested geckos breeding. So there you go, Ryan. Now, if you wanna learn how crested geckos breed and mate, stay in this video and you'll learn how. The male approaches the female and he immediately bites her. He does this so that he can position the female in a position that is more comfortable and so that he can get a grip. The female is not defensive, but she doesn't seem interested in the male, so she walks away. However, the male is persistent and he keeps trying to get the job done. However, in this position, it is really hard for the male. So I try to step in and bring them down to the floor. However, the male confuses his own tail with the female's tail, and he keeps biting it for about a few seconds. After realizing that that is his tail, he reattaches to the female and tries to position her once more. In this clip, he almost gets the job done, but he doesn't quite get it. After a few tries, he manages to get his cloaca right next to the female's cloaca. And now, listen real close. That noise you just heard was him getting the job done. Unfortunately for him though, he didn't get it done in the right place. But just imagine he did so that he doesn't feel bad. And that's how crested geckos breed. The end. Or maybe not. Now the male has to deal with his hemipene. The male's hemipene is kind of like an airbag. Once it comes out, it is really hard to get back in. It comes out really fast and it takes a long time to put back in. It is probably uncomfortable and it is prone to infection and it can even fall off. If the male's hemipene is not back in 24 to 48 hours, it can become a serious problem. Males have two hemipenes, which are independent from one another, and they can successfully reproduce with only one. As you saw in the video, he only took his left hemipene out. And all crested geckos only take one hemipene out when they're breeding. However, in Rodrigo's case, this is a little bit different, since he only has his left hemipene. Therefore, he cannot afford to lose it. He needs to find a way of putting his hemipene back into his body. And after a lot of licking and biting, he manages to get his hemipene back inside his body, where it is protected from infection and falling off. Now I want to show you guys other attempts that I recorded during the preparation of this video. Sometimes the males are really aggressive. Sometimes the males are not interested. But most of the time they are aggressive, you just don't see it. Most of the time, they're going to mate when a camera is not recording, when there's not a lot of lights, and probably not in the wide open. The ideal condition for a crested gecko to mate is where they feel protected and have areas to climb, not like this smooth wall of plastic, full of light, two cameras recording, and a microphone picking up audio. Therefore, it is also harder for the crested geckos to breed under these conditions. So after a while trying, the males just stop. Now I'm gonna play an example that has audio so that you can hear the vocalizations that the female and male do. And finally, I want to show you this great example of a lock that I found on Instagram. Alright guys, that is all I have for today. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.